When you think of meal prepping, what's the first thing that comes to mind? For most people, the idea of meal prepping is really overwhelming. They don't know where to start, they're new to the kitchen, or they just don't have time. Here are 4 tips to help you save time when beginning a meal prep routine. Tip number 1, get the essential utensils you need for meal prepping. What do you need? A large mixing bowl, a sheet pan, a medium to large skillet, a muffin tin, and a crock pot. I would also recommend an air fryer. Tip number 2, pick easy recipes. Set yourself up for success here. Pick recipes with less ingredients and minimal directions when you are cooking them. Some of our most popular recipes are the no-bake recipes, like double chocolate overnight oats. Recipes like egg roll in a bowl is only 3 ingredients and takes less than 15 minutes to make. As you are picking the recipes that you're gonna make, try to pick recipes that are using different utensils. So for instance, if I'm going to make a couple options for next week, I'm gonna typically make something in the crock pot, and while that is cooking, I'm going to use a skillet or the muffin tin to make other types of recipes. We'll likely throw in the overnight oats because they're so easy and delicious and the entire family loves them. Tip number 3, set yourself up for success by portioning your breakfast and lunch so they're ready to go. We might even cut up raw vegetables in little bags so that we can bring those for lunch and have a bigger container to snack on throughout the day. Tip number 4, maybe you're starting to run out of the food that you prepped during the week, so you are gonna make a dinner. Go ahead and make a double batch of that dinner so that you can have the leftovers for lunch or dinner the next day. Meal prepping doesn't have to be overwhelming, and as you start doing it, you're gonna get more comfortable and you're gonna get more efficient and faster. Meal prepping is one of the best things you can do to set yourself up for success. Are you looking for some healthy recipes? Go to healthystepsnutrition.com and you can click the recipes tab. In there, you can filter by easy recipes. Don't forget to start here. Less ingredients, minimal directions, and little prep time. Now, enjoy your meal prep routine so you can set yourself up for success to achieve your long-term goals.